Welcome! Today we're going to go over everything you need to know to use Hoopla on your Android device. To begin, we'll need to install the Hoopla app from the Google Play Store. I've gone ahead and done that, so let's just tap on the app to get started. If this is your first time using Hoopla, you'll tap on the Sign Up option towards the bottom of the screen and follow the prompts to set up your account. If you've used it in the past, you can go ahead and enter your email address and password to log in. When you first log in, you'll see this screen here featuring anything that you currently have borrowed. If we scroll down just a bit, we'll see our reading history, and this shows us anything that we've borrowed and returned. Back at the top of the screen here, we'll see there are 6 buttons for audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, and television. So depending on what type of media we feel like enjoying at the moment, we can tap on the appropriate button. Let's pick out an audiobook today. You'll notice there are some different options at the top. Right now we're looking at popular books. Next we'll have a look at the recommended section. These are items that are based on what you've borrowed in the past, so the more you use Hoopla, the more accurate these recommendations will become. Next we have a section for featured titles. These are always changing, so be sure to check back often. And finally, we have a section for browsing by genre. This is great if you know exactly what subject you'd like to read about. So to pick our first book, let's head back to the popular section, and we can scroll down the page to see more items. Once we see something interesting, we can tap on the cover for more information, and we can scroll down to get a description of the book. If it looks interesting but not like something I want to read right now, I can just tap on this little heart and that will add it to my favorites list. And then we can just tap in the arrow on the upper left corner to head back to the popular books page. Once we find something we like, we can just tap on the blue borrow button. It should download automatically. If not, you can just tap on the download option. And now we can just head back to our home page. To start enjoying the book, we simply have to tap on the cover of the book and it'll open up for us. Now, if we wanted to listen to an audiobook or watch a TV show or movie, we would just head to the top of our home page and choose the appropriate button from the options listed at the top. You'll notice that these sections are laid out the same, with the genres, popular section, recommended section, and featured titles. And to listen to your audiobook, you would just tap on the cover to get it started. Finally, if we look at the top of the screen here, we'll see that next to Home, there's a section for Favorites. These are those items that we marked as our favorites earlier on. It's kind of like a wish list for your books. And that's it. You're ready to get started with the Hoopla app on your Android device. You can learn more about Hoopla and all of the library's other online resources on our website.